Here is my Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I can just shake it one time to launch Spotify. I can shake it two times to go directly to the alarms. And this is really effortless and easy to do in this watch. Hey guys, back with another video for my addictive blogging channel. So in this video I will be discussing about an app that lets you launch apps by just shaking your wrist, and this is a really important app to have on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 because you don't need to start your watch or click on any buttons. You can launch apps and perform actions by just shaking the watch onto your wrist, and this can be really handy when it comes to do tedious tasks on the watch like setting alarms and setting reminders, launching up the assistant and other apps, or listening to music or taking a note. You can do it all by just shaking the wrist on this watch. So as always, this will be a sick video guys, and if you are taken to shares, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up because I will be making more videos like this. So first of all, the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 comes with the Wear OS, and this Wear OS supports a lot of apps which really changes the way we use the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. And when it comes to make our life easier, you need to install the app which I am going to tell you to launch apps directly by shaking your wrist. Also, you can launch n number of apps by shaking the wrist a particular number of time, which is really great because you are able to open multiple apps on this watch by just using this gesture. So to do this, you need to first connect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 with the Galaxy Wear app, and once you have connected it, you need to install another app which will help you to perform this action on the watch. So the app name which you need to install is Shake Launcher, and this app is available in the Play Store. Make sure you have installed it on your watch and on your phone, and once you have installed it, you are ready to use the app. So the app is really straightforward, and definitely you can set the apps which it will launch by just shaking your wrist, and also there are some of the other options which you need to configure. So first let's see the app to launch action, and here you can set the apps which it will launch. So there are 10 gestures which you can set, and the number of times you will be shaking your wrist will open a different app in there. There are a number of options you can use, like you can change the watch face, you can also add a task. So there are multiple apps which you can choose to launch, and I have chosen the Spotify app to launch in here. With two shakes also you can choose any app, any action to perform, and I have chose to launch the alarms in there. So you can configure any app to open with these gestures, and I have configured these apps here. Also you will be getting options like screen off shake. So this is basically to set whether the gesture will work even if the screen is off. So this option will prevent accidental opening of the apps. So if you want to open the apps even when the screen is off, you can set unlimited in there. Also there is a vibration setting which you can set, so the watch will vibrate whenever it is opening an app, and the vibration duration is set from here. Also you can set the screen on time. The screen will be on after the app is launched. You can also set the launch delay. So after you are performing the gesture, you can set the amount of time after which the app will be launched. And there is also the shake force. So you can set the shake sensitivity in here, how much force is required to open the app or how much shake is required to open the apps. And also you can set post launch delay. So post launch delay is something when you are opening multiple apps with the gestures, it will take some amount of time to open the apps one after another. So here you can set that amount of time. So this is really easy to configure, really straightforward app, and this works like a charm. And every time I am shaking or performing the gesture, it is opening the app I want to open, and it is detecting the shakes really well. So if I am shaking it one time, you can see this Spotify is opening. If I am shaking it two times, you will see that another app will open, and I can feel the vibration also. So here alarms are opening. So now I will shake it 3 times. Let's see whether it is opening the locks or not. So here you can see it is opening the notes, and after this I will be checking it 4 times to see whether it is opening the desired app or not. So you can see it has opened the Google Chrome up there. So it is really working well, and if you want this type of launcher you can download it right now from the Google Play Store, and definitely it is one of the apps which you absolutely need to install on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. So that's it guys, I just wanted to show you about this app which is there for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4, and I hope you have liked this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys, have a great day. Thank you.